Market situation update. Good morning, traders. Tuesday today, according to my calendar here, and I'm very excited about the show today, guys. We're going to be talking about the Aussie dollar, a new position that we've just launched. So that's on this video. Next video, we're going to touch base with the Litecoin. It's positioning itself for a massive breakdown. That's how we see the situation on the Litecoin and the crypto market in general. So that's coming in the next video. Let's go right ahead, dive in. The Aussie dollar presents a very compelling technical situation, guys. We could not ignore what was going on here, and we decided to take action. And we're going to be starting to talk about the Aussie dollar for the time being. Here's what's happening. All right, we're coming off from an upside move. An upside trend lasted for a few weeks, more than a month. But the formation itself started at the beginning of December 2021 with this 1-2. Right, 1-2 spilled over to January 2022, and then that big upside move I was just talking about. And it went up all the way, stretched itself out to the very edge of that system, 73.90. Right, and then we saw what happened this week, like literally yesterday and the day before. Price action was on its way to break out. But we knew that this was a tricky move, because we knew 73.90 was going to pose some trouble, right? We knew it has the potential to flip price action on its head. And lo and behold, that's what's happening, right? Take a look at that big spike. This is just yesterday. All of it is yesterday, right? Crazy move. Started on the upside, and then everything turned around and ended up very negatively. So today, guys, we throwed in the first trade, $5,000. We are ready to launch, to throw in another 5K. All right, we're waiting for price action to slide to 73. Once it touches 73, we're going to throw another 5K, and we're going to keep going. At 72.38, we're going to take some profit off the table, right? We're going to take out the first couple of trades probably, and we'll wait for price action to cross over. It may take some time. It may find this area as a serious obstacle. So we have to make sure price action can overcome this obstacle before we go back to dropping bombs. But eventually, we're all about the move that's from 72.38 all the way to 70.69. So 70.69 is the next big support level, right? Aside from 72.38, which is kind of you know, an intermediary obstacle or support level we're going to use as for partial execution. At the end of the day, 70.69 is our final destination. And that's coming, again, according to the big picture weekly chart in this particular key level system, the black one. So 70.69 is right here. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it. Before we wrap this up, let's talk about the stop loss level. We've placed it at 74.20, so yeah, we were kind of placing it about 100 pip from price entry. We're gonna be ready to trail it, you know, with the direction of the move, as long as price action keeps that negative momentum alive and kicking. Alright, guys, that's about that. Aussie dollar. We're moving on to the next video. We're gonna talk about the Litecoin. It's gonna be super interesting. So see you there.